Are you uploading your YouTube videos the right way? If you are using the YouTube Chrome desktop version instead of this, you might be missing out on some powerful features that can help you get more views. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube the right way. I mean the exact way using the YouTube main app. This app you are seeing right now, so you can maximize your reach, improve your videos performance and get more views. This is how I upload my YouTube videos. I use this YouTube main app anytime I want to upload my videos. Then uploading through the YouTube app is not just easy. It gives you direct access to essential features like mobile friendly, video optimizations, quick editing tools, easy access to your YouTube shorts and instant engagement option. Plus, it is perfect for creators who upload on the go, allowing you to add metadata, your thumbnails and tags efficiently without needing a computer. So if you want to make sure your videos are set up for success right from the start, keep watching because I am going to walk you through step by step how to upload your YouTube videos using the YouTube app the right way. Let's get started. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will tell you the exact way to upload your YouTube videos using the YouTube main app. Let's get straight to our screen record so you can watch through me how you can upload and optimize your videos. All you have to do is to head over to your YouTube Studio app. Then, like you normally upload your YouTube videos, yes, then you click on this plus sign. You know that this plus sign is always for adding your videos. Now it will bring you up to your videos that you want to upload. Now let's take for instance we want to upload a video of more than 1 minute, because if it is less than 1 minute is now regarded as short. So we'll upload a video that is more than 1 minute or 3 minutes. Let's just say we want to upload this video right now. Wait for it to open, then you click on next to show that we are progressing. Then once you click on next, you wait for it to load. Once it loads, now this white background you are seeing right now is where you are going to add your thumbnail. I mean your thumbnail area. So if you want to add your thumbnail from this particular YouTube app that you are using to upload your videos, then you click on this pencil sign at the left hand side. Once you click on it, then it will take you to your phone gallery where you can now pick your YouTube thumbnail. You make sure that your thumbnail is ready. You make sure your thumbnail is already ready for you to use it. Then let's just take for instance this is our thumbnail. We'll click on it, then you click on done, then it will not take you back. Now you go up, you scroll it up, then the next place we are going now is the title. Make sure you add a title of that particular video, even though you rename the file of that video. But once you are using your YouTube desktop, this desktop to upload it, your title will not appear unless you are using the desktop version, I mean the Chrome version. So you title this particular video, maybe the video is how to get monetized on YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube. So once you are done naming it, then the next one is to add your description. Add whatever description you want to add here, but to make your description to be concise, but also make it to be short. So once you make it to be short, you can now add your hashtags, whatever you want to add, your call to action, your playlist, just make sure you add everything you want to add in the description. Then once you are done, you click on this place to go back. Now the next one is making sure that this your visibility is not on public. Like as I click on my own is already unlisted because I've I've set it default, like I've automatically set it to be default, so that whenever I upload videos, maybe if I'm not aware when it has finished loading, I will know that it's already on unlisted. It will not be published immediately. So make sure that your own is not on public immediately, so that maybe you might forgot that, or something might take off your mind. You will not know when the video has finished loading and publish by itself. So if you don't want it to publish immediately, you either click it on what, put it on unlisted or what, private. Okay, you put it on unlisted, on private, but I always normally keep my own on unlisted. So it's your choice, make your choice and you are good to go. Then once you are done selecting your visibility, then you go back. Then once you go back, the next one is your audience. Make sure that your video is not made for kids, because this my video is not made for kids, but I don't know about you, because you might be creating content that is, yes, made for kids, but since your video is not made for kids, you put it on no, it is not made for kids. Then once you are done, do not go back. That means your audience have been set. Then you put your location. This location is very important. Don't just try to be smart. Maybe you don't want people to know the location you are filming your video. Make sure you put your original location, so that during your monetization, YouTube will not tag you as a what, a spam what channel. So make sure you put the original location from where you are filming your video, where you are, because during your monetization, your location will also involve. And when they go through your videos and notice that you are putting maybe United States, Ghana, America, Mexico, Australia, Kenya, trying to tell people that you are from that place, trying to impress or trying to play smart, all right, they will not get you monetized. So make sure you add your playlist. Add the video to a particular playlist you think that is related. Now our own is about monetization. So you click on this monetization, then the video has been added to monetization threshold. Now, I don't know how your playlist you have, but any playlist you have, just make sure you add it to the playlist. Then another important one is the one that you not ignore is if your content is altered content. If your content is author content, you click on yes, but if it's not, click on no, then you go back. Then make sure that you remix this your video, so that you can also remix it from short. Then allow video and remixing, but if you don't want, you click on don't allow remixing. But me, I always put my own under what, allow remixing and audio remixing. Now this is how I upload my videos. Keep watching, because this particular things that I'm showing you will fetch you that views, that subscribers, because you are using the correct metadata to upload your videos. Now the next one is add paid promotion. If your video contain paid promotion, yes. If it doesn't, you click on no, then go back. All settings are what, saved. Then my content is always on. Then once you are done in the whole of this, but remember that your visibility is still on unlisted or what, private, that even though you click on upload, yes, it will not publish immediately. So once you are done, you click on upload. You click on this one, upload, and your video will start what, uploading. You see it, see video. Then this is the video. This is the video. Now you can see how to get monetized on YouTube. It's getting what, prepared. All right, so that is it. It's loading already. So once you are done, the next thing is to head over to your YouTube Chrome version. Now, if you are looking, this is our video that is still uploading. It's still under pending. The visibility is still pending. So the video is still uploading. Maybe it's network from my side and anything, but for the case of this tutorial, I'm trying to teach you something that will help you grow your channel and start getting the subscribers. All right. So when you click on the sorry for the throwback. So when you click on the content side, once you come over to your YouTube studio, click on the content side. Yes, you click on this content site, it will bring you to all your different content, both your short, your live, your post, your playlist, your podcast, your promotion, your inspiration. All right. So this is the video we are uploading. It's still uploading at 2%. So we don't have to wait for it to upload. We have to do the necessary things by adding our meta data for our video to be discovered, to optimize our video, start getting that views and subscribers, engagement, likes, comments, everything. So now let's optimize our video. You click on the video name first. You click on that video, then you wait for it to open. Sorry guys, I'm waiting for it to open. Okay, now this is our title. Now this title now is an optimized title because that is the first thing you need to consider. You make sure that your title is a keyword rich, that this is what people are always searching for on YouTube. So but if you still want to add on any other thing, you just make it, maybe you just put a hyphen, or you just put it in brackets, then you put whatever you want to put. All right, so once you are done, then your description, remember that we have already put our description on our video, so but here is still empty because at the time I was doing it I didn't put any description. I was just telling you what you need to put there. Now this is our thumbnail. So okay, then the playlist, we have already added our video. Now the reason why we are coming to this Chrome app is to access other features that is not on the what YouTube main what app. I mean the YouTube main what app. So we need to access about 2 to 3 features to now get our videos optimized very well and put the necessary things. Okay, now you click on this show more. Once you click on this show more, now it will bring you to other options. The paid promotion, we have settled the paid promotion. The authored content, we have settled it already, but I will still have to put it here. So and the other one, you make sure that your content is not is allow automatic chapters and key moment, but sometimes the YouTube automatic chapters might not be correct, so it's better you put it manually. You put it on your own, you type it on your own. Allow automatic concept. Now you put the tags. These tags now are tags that can be useful if any of your content in your video is commonly misplaced. So otherwise, tags play in a minimal role in helping viewers to find your video. So any tags you put here, these tags you are putting here is not just anyhow tags, but tags that can be searchable, like tags that when people are coming on YouTube to search, your videos will pop out for them to watch. So you are going to put those tags, maybe tags of how to grow YouTube. These are searchable words and all of that. Then YouTube growth, YouTube growth. Then once you are making sure you are putting them in commas. All right. So each one you are differentiating it with comma. Okay. So once you are done putting in your tags and everything, and the next one is make sure your video is published to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Okay, now you categorize your video into how to and style. If you're on under YouTube growth and all of that, you put it under on how to and style or education. Once you click on this, you see so many categories. So you put your own onto how to and style, then put the necessary things. Sorry guys, my battery is getting low. So once you are done putting the whole of this and doing your necessary settings, okay, then you can now click on save. So once you click on this particular save, all these settings you have made here has been saved, and your video will, once it has finished uploading and you have published it, you start getting that views and subscriber. This is the right way you are going to upload your YouTube videos using the YouTube main app, the one we just first started with. Okay, and that is it. Now you know exactly how to upload your videos the right way. Thank me, right? Using this app, using the YouTube app. By doing this, You are making the upload process easy, smoother, and ensuring your videos are optimized for mobile viewers. Get discovered faster. I mean, stand out on the YouTube search bar and perform better in search and YouTube recommendation. If you find this my video helpful, make sure you hit that button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. And if you have any question about uploading, let me know in the comment section and I will reply as many as I can. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.